In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install Anaconda. It's pretty simple. In the previous video, we have discussed about Python's virtual env. Now you may be asking why Anaconda? Well, Anaconda uses Conda, which can manage packages and dependencies for multiple languages, not just Python. This is particularly useful for data science projects that require packages from different ecosystems. It comes with a large number of pre-installed packages, especially those used in data science and machine learning, such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. It ensures that environments are consistent across different operating systems, which is beneficial for collaborative projects. Anaconda provides tools like Anaconda Navigator, a GUI for managing environments and packages, which can be more user-friendly, especially for beginners. It can handle complex dependencies, including non-Python ones, more efficiently. This is crucial for projects involving a mix of tools and libraries. In short, Anaconda will be better for virtual env in the field of machine learning. So without wasting any time, let's see the process to download it. First, open your browser and search for Anaconda downloads. Click download Anaconda distribution. You can see the free download here. Click that, you don't have to do anything. The executive file will start to download. It will take time depending on your internet connection. After downloading the file, click to run it, then do as I am showing. Click next. Then there will be terms and condition. Just click the agree button. Choose for all users and hit next. Now it may ask you for admin access. Just click yes. Then you will see the installation path. It's usually the best path, but if you want, you can change it. In my case, I am leaving it as it is. Check all these boxes and hit install. Now the installation process is started. It usually takes time depending on your system. In my case, it took much time, so I put my laptop on charge to speed up the process a little bit. That the Anaconda is installed, hit next and then finish. Now the Anaconda Navigator will automatically open. Then it will ask you for update, but it will not work. So close this window and click this I button. It will close the main window. and will show the option for update. Click update. Again, it will take time depending on your internet connection. After update, click the button for Launch Navigator. Now wait for some time to load the packages. Then scroll down and install the Anaconda prompt as we will work on it. Then Windows button and search for Anaconda prompt. Open it. Here you can see that there is the base environment is activated, which is its default environment. But we have to create a separate environment for our project. To create an environment, type this command. You can also mention which version of Python do you want to install in this environment. It will ask you to install additional packages, which is good. So click for yes. Now, as usual, it will take time depending on your internet connection. Now open the Anaconda Navigator and go to the environment section. Here you can see that our environment is created. You can also create and delete environments here. Environment is created, we have to install packages in it. For that, first activate our desired environment. For our help, the activation code is already recommended by the system. Here we can see that our environment name is at the beginning of the path. It means that now we are in our environment. Use pip. Open VS Code as we have already discussed in the previous video. You can see that the kernel is not selected. Click that and choose our environment. Then restart your VS Code and it's done. We can create environments for our projects to install different versions of packages using Anaconda. That's it for this video. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubts, you can ask the mentors in the chat box. In the next video, we will continue our discussion on the project.